Do you want to learn how to make motion track videos in CapCut and make the camera follow you? Today, we're gonna learn it. With CapCut open, click on New Project. Select the video you want to use. With your project opened, the first thing we need to do is zoom in a little our video. Click on the video. Now zoom in and adjust it. I think that's good and centralize it, but let's test it. We're gonna have to use a guide. So click here on add text and put an O. That's good. For the font, I use the Futura font to make the O look thinner. Now adjust it. Frame it in the middle of your screen. That's good. Now we're gonna zoom in our timeline. So what you're gonna do now, select your video, advance a little, and tap here to create a new keyframe. Now, adjust your video. Create new keyframes, like this. And that's the way we're gonna be making our motion. I'll cut and show the final results to you guys. See how it is. That's good. Now, all you have to do is delete the O, selecting it, and going here on delete. So now all I have to do is upload the video, clicking here, and waiting for the exporting process. If you had any doubt, want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please comment below. If you learned something with this video, please leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel to following our content. Bye!